All right, everybody, we out here in Montana still, right? And now we have to pull over to put these chains on. They got the chain law in effect, right? You don't put the chains on, you get a fine of $750. Now, if you look at this road, it's not even icy, right? There's no snow. So hopefully when we get up this road up here, it better be some snow up here to use these chains. Because they'll make you put them on, you go a little bit, about half a mile, make you take them off. So let's see what's going on with this right here. They go to famous plows. They go to famous plows, not doing nothing. Not doing nothing. Not doing nothing. See all the trucks down there? See all the trucks down there? Half of them not even putting the chains on because they going to wait it out. And like I said, I hope we don't go up this road a half a mile and they make us take them off. And look at the truck on the other side. They coming down the other way. They don't have no chains on. See, this is the law that I'm talking about. They need to stop this. They need to stop this, but we'll be back with y'all. We're going to show you how to put them on. All right, y'all see we got the chains on, right? We put the chains on like that, let them sit there. This is how we do it. And then we roll up a little bit. Roll up a little bit. All right, honey. All right. Roll up a little bit. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take these two back pieces. You're going to connect it there. And the other piece, you connect it over here. All right, now, once you have the tires like this, you see how my wife is holding it? You have this here, you have the lock here, you have a lock here. You take the other part. Pick the other part up. You take the other part up. You lock it here. You lock it there. You go on the inside here. And this is called the other lock, and there's a cam lock down there. So what you do is, if I take a couple pulls, it ain't hard. See, then it'll lock in. You lock it in, then you take the cam. If you see that right there, that piece right there, that little round piece, like a little piece of pizza. That little piece right there, you have to twist it for it to lock. That's called the cam. This is called the cam lock. Right here. See the cam lock right here? All you do is just twist it. All you do is just twist it like that. Okay, we'll get it. See? You lock it like that, and it should be another cam. Let's see what I'm doing. Should be another cam. Let's see what the other cam is. Should be two cam locks. Oh, right here. You see the other cam right here? And you take this and you twist it. You twist it. And that locks that. Now what we're looking for is the spiders to hold the chains onto the tire. That's what we're looking for right now.
We call them spider hands, but they bungees. They chain locks. So we bring it. It's to keep your chains on, keep them from falling off.
See, my wife could do it by herself. She know what to do. She know what to do.
And that's it.
That's how you do that. Y'all see that?
That keeps them
Y'all see that?
Keep you from losing.
They ain't going nowhere.
Are expensive.
They're not going nowhere. Y'all see that?
They're
not
like
going nowhere.
$225.
That's how you put them on.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's show y'all the back again. We're gonna show y'all again real quick. Alright, I think we need to then I lock this other one right here. That's locked. This is locked. Where's the other cam? Where's the other cam at? Let's see it over here. There should be another cam down here. There should be another cam. Oh, it's right here. Here's the other cam. And you take this cam. Remove this cam. All you gotta do is just move it. Right here. Make sure this piece right here is locked like that. Okay. Now, y'all see how loose the chain is a little bit, right? Y'all see how loose the chain is a little bit. This is what the spider does. I'll show you guys again. I don't see that little spider. You get as tight as you can get it.
Side to side. It really don't have to be really tight. Just to keep the chain from slipping off. It's just to hold them on there.
Then you feel it. Then you gotta change it in place. Just y'all take the chains on. I got them in place. Alright, so that's fine. This cam here, so you have to make sure this cam. You have to make sure this cam. You have to make sure this cam's tight. How you do that, you just
we on the timer, so we trying to see how
spin it around.
fast we can put them on.
You just spin that around. And why is this? So yeah, that's how you do that. So we're going to do the other two sides. And we'll be done with this and we'll be on our way. And I can't believe that they're making us put these chains on. Like, I really cannot believe it. And I almost know it. We're going to get up here about a half a mile to a mile. And they're going to say, take them off. This is ridiculous. They really out here trying to catch somebody with a $750 fine. That's what they're trying to do, because you don't need no chains. Look at the road. You don't need no chains. All right, Roscoe Trucking, we'll be back. Everybody, as you can see, we are headed up the mountain. We got the chains on. We got the spiders on. We're in Montana, in Whitehall, coming up the mountain. You are required to have chains on, otherwise you face a $750 fine by DOT. And there's been a couple cars that's been stuck, that's been holding up. And if you look over here, here's a hauler here who cannot get up the hill. Why? Because no chain. See that right there? All right, man, good luck. Yeah, see that right there? The first hand. This is first hand. This is real trucking. This is real trucking out here. Waxo Trucking does real trucking, like everybody else that do trucking. Y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, as y'all can see how we're moving along. As you could probably see a little bit, look on the side of the tires. Look at the chains moving around on the tires. Look how smooth we coming up the mountain. Look how smooth we coming up the mountain. It's all about knowing your craft. It's all about knowing your craft and what you do, and love what you do. and you're passionate about it. So when you come to snow and you're in the mountains, hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. Just know your craft. They say put the chains on, just put them on. Just put them on. Learn your craft, learn how to put them on. And it'll become basically second nature. Once you keep doing it, it'll become second nature. We didn't know how to do them at first. At all. We did not know how to put these chains on. But we learned, we studied, and here we are.
Put them on, boop, boop, bam.
Now we just put them on, and like my wife said, boop, boop, bam. What you say, honey?
Boop, boop, bam.
Boop, boop, bam. And that's it.